welcome back to Bait My Line Fishing. I'm Steve. Today we are in the Ocean City Inlet doing some fishing for some tautog possibly on the south end. And we're going to be fishing for maybe some rockfish too. We'll see what we got. We've got some, we were trying to get some sand crabs, or trying to get some sand fleas, but instead we've got some green crabs because they didn't have any today, unfortunately. So we're going to give them a try and see if we can get anything. Let's do it. Oh no.
I knew.
Oh yeah, come on. Oh, no. Oh no, I don't even want to touch that thing.
I don't even want to touch it either. I know what type of teeth them got.
Oh man.
He's a big too.
Jeez whiz. Got him now. That's worth a picture though. He's catching something over there now.
Oh god.
I always try to do it easier, so you stick this in their mouth.
Okay.
Oh well, and then you do that. But here, you want to take a quick picture? That's a pretty big one.
Yeah, man. Let me.
Yeah, just sit it there. You're good.
Hell yeah.
There you go.
Alright, how do you release it?
There you go. Yeah, so you just put it over the water and lift up. Yep. There it goes.
What a nasty little.
Yeah. I mean,
dude,
you just sit that there.
And you know what? They're heavy as hell, too.
Yeah, they'll take your fingers off, too.
Yes, they will.
Got him.
Got him?
Yep. Oh no!
Oh,
Oh
shit.
I'll take it though.
Oh shit. Alright, hold on. Let's get center of gravity here.
And them grabby grabbies. Grabby grabbies.
Dude, what do you want to bet that that's the same?
He's just angry.
Pissed off, motherfucker. No, I wouldn't.
Woo!
Kiss it.
Got him, baby.
Man, that shit is hard.
Nasty. I'm glad I caught something though. He was nibbling at it just like yours was. That's why I was like, I knew it would be before I even got him in. Ugh. You can try this one. Oh yeah. Yep. All right, get the net.
Damn, bro. Holy shit. What a fish.
Oh, first bluefish? Come on, we gotta get him in the boat. Oh my God. Get him.
I know, I'm trying.
Jesus. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah.
Dude, is that a keeper?
Oh, it's a bluefish. I mean, you keep any size of them. They're nasty though.
Why are they nasty? Or are these the ones that you were talking about?
Yeah. There you go, guys. First ever bluefish. Let's go. Look at that beauty. Let's go, baby. 22 and a half. We're gonna let him go. Yeah. All right. Got one? I'm coming.
It's a little bit. No, it's not even. I don't think
It's all right. It's all right. It just took the lure.
It took the lure?
Yeah, I got it back though.
Oh, let's go.
Oh no, he chomped it in half. That's all right. You got him. I told you.
Little.
That's all right.
Hell yeah.
Here's this. You put it in his mouth and use it. Well, use these. Pull it out.
Oh, all right, chill out, guy. You're all right.
And then if you want, you can show the camera. I can set this up for you to measure it.
Hold on, I'm not trying to hurt you. All right.
Need help? You got it. You just got to go the opposite way that the hook went. Yeah, you got her.
Oh, Lord.
There you go. Let's go. You want to measure him?
Yeah.
Put his butt up to there, or his front, my bad. So you butt his mouth up. Yep. And then you stretch his tail as far as it'll go. 15 inches. Yep.
Let's
there you
go, dude.
You want a picture?
Sure.
Got it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. We were able to catch 5 fish total, so it was a good day. We were out for probably about 4 hours. We are on the way back to the house now, so I hope you appreciated the video. If you liked it, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Future content, I appreciate it. See you guys.